Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. All right, let's begin. Open your browser, go to Google, and search for DeepSeek. Click the official website and access the API section. Sign in or create an account to reach your dashboard. Locate the API key section and create a new key. Name it clearly, generate it, then copy and store it securely. Next, open Janitor AI and select any chat. Click the menu at the top right and go to API settings. Navigate to the proxy tab and add a new configuration. Enter a recognizable name for the setup. In the model field, type DeepSeek chat exactly. For the proxy URL, enter the official DeepSeek endpoint and ensure it uses HTTPS. Add the endpoint path for chat completions. Then, paste your API key carefully without extra spaces. Save the configuration to apply changes. If issues occur, verify all fields and refresh the page. So that's basically how you can use Janitor AI with DeepSeek. That's it for this video. Thanks.